all are fine and safe at home. Children, till 1.4 we have learned, isn't it children? Children, don't waste time. What you have to do? You have to do and practice in your rough notebook. Understood children? Today we are going to see mathematics place value exercise 1.5. Okay children, place value 1.5. Still we are in chapter 1 only. Still we are in chapter 1. Okay, first we will see round off the following numbers to the nearest 10. Once again I'll read, round off the following numbers to the nearest 10. In the third standard also you would have learned this, isn't it children? In the fourth standard we will be learning little brief. Okay, the first sum is 47. So 47 it comes between 40 and 50, isn't it children? 40 and 50. 10 means your two number 10, isn't it children? So it comes under 40, between 40 and 50. So see, after 40 what you have to write? 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49 and 50. Now what's the question children? 47. So 47 is here, isn't it children? So what you have to do? It's near 50. See, above 45 means you have to round off 50, and below 45 it comes means you have to round off 40. Okay children? Now it's above 45. This is the center, isn't it? 45. So it's above 45. So what you have to do? It's rounded up to 50. Rounded up to the nearest 50. Okay children? So what you have to write? Rounded up to 50. Rounded up to 50. Understood children? So what's the answer children? 47 rounded off to the nearest 10 is what children answer? 50. Understood children? 47 is rounded near to what? 50. It's 50. Okay, we'll see the second sum, 98. 98. So 98 comes between 90 and 100. Between 90 and 100. After 90 what you have to write? 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99 and 100. So here 98 is there. 98 is above 95 or below 95 children? Above 95. So here it's, so what will come children? 98 is rounded up to 100. It's rounded up to 100. Rounded up to 100. So what's the answer? 98 rounded off to the nearest 10 is what answer? 100. Understood children? Rounded off 10 is 100. We'll see the third sum. Third sum here, till first and second sum we saw 2 digit. Here we are seeing 3 digit. 385. 385. But always you have to see this 2 digit only. You should not see this number. Okay children? So what you have to write? You have to 385 comes between 380 and 390. You should not write, you should not change this number. Okay children? You have to write as it is. 81, 82, 83. So it comes between 380 to 390. So what you have to write children? 381, 382, 383, 384, 385, 386, 387, 388, 389 and 390. Understood children? Now what's the answer? 385. It also what? It's rounded up to 390. It's rounded up to 390. Rounded up to 390. So here only it's what's the answer? 385 rounded off to the nearest 10 is 390. Okay children? Now we'll see the fourth sum. See, fourth sum, now 4 digit is there. 4 digit is there. So what you have to do? Only you have to change these two numbers only. You should not change this. You have to write as it is. See, it comes between 6,290 and 6,300. It comes between what, children? 6,290 and 6,300. So what you have to write, children? 6,291, 6,292, 6,293, 6,294, 6,295, 6,296, 6,297, 6,298, 6,299 and then 300. So what's the question, children? 6,292. So 6,292 is here. What it comes below this 6,295, isn't it, children? So what you have to write? You have to round. You have to write rounded down to. See, here and all you wrote rounded up to, isn't it, children? Here we wrote rounded up to. Up to means above, rounded up to 390. But here what you have to write, children, in this one, it's below 6,295. So what you have to write, children? Rounded down to. What you have to write, children? Rounded down to 6,290. Understood, children? Rounded down to 6,290. Others, this above means up to. Below means what you have to write? Down to. Don't forget, children. So what's the answer? 6,290 rounded off to the nearest 10 is 6,290. Okay, children. So in the A1, I have given one sum for homework. Fifth one, 9,143. I have given only one sum for homework. Don't forget, children, you have to, after doing the fourth sum, you have to continuously do this one. Okay. Now we'll go on to the B1. Round off the following numbers to the nearest 100. First we saw 10. Now we are going to see round off the following numbers to the nearest 100. So first sum what, children? 231. 231. So 231 comes between 200 and 300. It comes between 200 and 300. So what you have to write, children? First you have to write 200 is there. So 200 and then what you have to write? 210, 220, 230, 240, 250, 260, 270, 280 and 290. So children, don't write 201, 202. If you write means it will be wrong. You have to write after 200 what you have to write? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 like this only you have to write. Okay, children. So now here what number is there? 231. So where it is 230 is here, isn't it? It's below 250. But 30 means it is 31. Here 31 is there. So you have to write here, isn't it, children? Here you have to write 231. 231. It's rounded down to 200. What you have to write, children? Rounded down to what? 200. Rounded down to 200. So what's the answer, children? 231 rounded off to the nearest 100 is 200. Understood, children? 231 rounded off to the nearest 100 is 200. Okay, coming to the second sum. Here 3 digit is there. 1845. Only we have to see this 3 number, isn't it, children? Because 100, ones, tens, 100. So only 3 number you have to see. 1845 comes between 1800 and 1900. Understood? See, I didn't change this number, isn't it, children? Only 1800 and 1900. So what you have to write, children, here? 1810, 1820, 1830, 1840, 1850, 1860, 1870, 1880, 1890, 1900. Okay, children. Now what's the question? 1845. Where it comes, children? See, here 1840 is there. So it comes between 40 and 50. It comes between 40 and 50. So what will come, children? Here it will come. Isn't it, children? 1845. But it's below 1850. So what you have to write, children? It's rounded down to 1840. 1800. It's rounded down to 1800. So 1845 rounded off to the nearest 100 is 1800. Okay, children. We'll see the third sum. Okay, children. Now we'll see the third sum. 3056. 3056, 4 digit is there, isn't it, children? But while coming for 100, what it comes between 3000 and 3100. It comes between 3000 and 3100. So while writing, see here 0, no, you should not write 3100, 3200 you should not write. Okay, children. So after 3000, what you have? 3010, 3020, 3030, 3040, 3050, 3060, 3070, 3080, 3090 and 3100. Okay, children. So 3056 comes under what, children? It comes above. It comes above 3050, isn't it, children? So see here, what here it comes, isn't it? Here it comes 3056. 3050. So it's rounded up to what? 3100. It's rounded up to 3100. Okay, children. So what's the answer? 3056 rounded off to the nearest 100 is 3100. It's near to 3100. And coming to the fourth sum, 9550. 9550. So it comes between 9500 and 9600 because you have to find nearest 100, isn't it, children? So it comes between 9500 and 9600. So what's the question? 9550. So 9510, 9520, 9530, 9540, 9550, 9560, 9570, 9580, 9590, 9600. So 550, where it comes, children? See here, 9550 is there. So it comes in the center, isn't it, children? It comes in the center, 9550. So it's what? It's below, it's down to 9500 and up to, children? It's up because it's above 9005. So what will come? It's rounded up to 9600. It's rounded up to 9600. Okay, children. 9550 rounded off to the nearest 100 is what, children? 9600. This is the answer. So in the B1 I have taught you 4 sums and the 5th sum is for your homework. In A sum I taught 4 and I gave 1 homework, and for B sum what? For nearest 100 I am giving 1 sum for homework. Okay, children? Okay, we'll see the third one. round off the following numbers to the nearest 1000. First we saw nearest 10, then second we saw nearest 100, and now we are going to see nearest 1000. So the first one 3251. So 3000, now we have to see the 4 digit, isn't it children? So ones, tens, 100, 1000. We have to see the 4 digit also. See, this sum comes between 3000 and what? 4000. It comes between 3000 and 4000. Understood children? So while writing, what you have to write? 3100, 3200, 3300, 3400, 3500, 3600, 3700, 3800, 3900 and 4000. Okay children. Now it's to 3251. It comes what, and children? It comes below 3500. So here 3200 is there, and this number 251 comes between 200 and 300, isn't it children? So it comes here. So 3251. So it's rounded down to 3000. It's rounded down to what children? Rounded down to 3000. Rounded down to 3000. Understood children? So the answer will be 3251. Rounded off to the nearest 1000 is what children? 3000. Understood? Okay. We come to the second one. 9999. 9999. This sum comes between 9000 and 10,000. Between 9000 and 10,000. Okay children. So now what you have to write children? 9100, 9200, 9300, 9400, 9500, 9600, 9700, 9800, 9900 and 10,000. Okay, now what's the number children? 9999. So where is 9999? You can't see. But 9900 is here, isn't it children? So 9900, it comes between 9900 and 10,000, isn't it children? So it will be here. Be careful. So 9999. So only one small arrow you have to put like this. See, only like this you have to put. So be careful children. So you should not mark from here. If you mark from here means it will be wrong. You have to mark from here only. Understood children? So it's rounded up to 10,000. Rounded up to 10,000. Isn't it children? Rounded up to 10,000. So answer is 9999. Rounded off to the nearest 1000 is 10,000. Okay children. Now we are going to see third sum, 5-digit number. See here, 5-digit number. What? 19,731. 19,731. You should not change this 10,000 place. Only you have to change this one only. So don't, you have to write as it is. So what will be? It comes between 19,000 to 20,000. It comes between 19,000 to 20,000. So while writing, what you have to write children? 19,100, 19,200, 19,300, 19,400, 19,500, 19,600, 19,700, 19,800, 19,900 and 20,000. Okay, now what number is there? 19,731. So 19,700, where it is children? Yes, here. Now what in the tens place is? 31 is there. So it comes between 19,700 and 19,800. So what will come children? Here it comes, isn't it children? So 19,731. 19,731. So it's rounded up to 20,000. Rounded up to 20,000. rounded up to 20,000. So what's the answer, children? 19,731 rounded off to the nearest thousand is 20,000. Okay, children, is it clear, children? Okay, in the C1 I have taught 3 sums. In the C sum I have taught 3 sums, and the fourth sum is homework. 4,851 is homework. So how many homework I have given, children? I have given 3 sums for homework. In A 1 sum, in B 1 sum, and in C 1 sum. Okay, children, only 3 sums are there. So what you have to do? You have to complete the homework and you have to send it to me. Okay, children, we will meet in the next class. Thank you. Bye.